Iggy! Oh! What is going on with you? Misha, I would get the fuck away. Misha! Be careful, buddy. Iggy, your family's concerned about you. We would all like to talk to you about your behavior. What's going on, buddy? This needs to stop. I'm getting the vets involved, and I'm taking that toy away as soon as it's safe to do so. You have a problem, Iggy. You've never acted like this before. You're taking it too far. You killed that toy days ago. Why are you all of a sudden acting like this? What the actual fuck, Iggy? No one's threatening you. No one's threatening you, Iggy. Iggy. Are you okay, buddy? I'm sorry he's acting this way. I don't know what's going on. I'm concerned too, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I got you a brother. It's only been really difficult. My bad. My bad, good boy. Ah! Egg.